are three things I can say about this. First thing is that this is recognizing architecture of India and Asia. So when I am a part of that, I feel it gives immense pressure to me and pleasure to me both. And when it comes to the open forum side, you were discussing about the most important part of phases of the urbanization and the smart cities, which is on the basis of sustainability. So I believe this is the right forum to talk about it, since I'm so happy that everybody is involved in this discussion and everybody was enlightened because of that. So I'm so glad that I know that these kind of discussions started recently only, but it is happening in a high pace. Probably we can now switch on to the action mode, because this is the right platform where the transition should happen from the debates and from the speech, from the forums to the action mode. That name itself is interesting. And when it comes to recognizing architecture, real estate and construction industry, which is sound as something unique, because I never know about any other forum which really integrate all these three things, because I believe that construction, a constructed building or a constructed infrastructure is a product at the end, but there are things before that. We start from the policy to, before that is vision to policy to planning into reinterpreting in the context, and then only architecture comes. So I am so glad that you have find out all these spectrums in sequence. So it is if you talk to architects alone, it is single-sided. If you talk to the builder alone, it is single-sided, because it is good. And I request you to little start from the political side, because the policy side, and it can be ended with the user side also. So I think then the chain will be bigger and better. That's what I believe. So awards are always so much energizing, and it gives us responsibility to do good works, and it gives us, at the same time, gives us so many courages to do work. So since it is an international recognition, and this is my first international recognition, so I really respect that thing. My respect should be reflected in my next work. That's what I believe so. And when this Birch and the Icons of Spaces, the name itself is very beautiful. Icons of Spaces is something, a title which I am supposed to respect and looked upon, so that my next work shouldn't be shouldn't be somewhere behind that.